Alphard 15 to 19 high-end installation tutorial with JBL with ceilings. Before installation. Pre-installation settings. First, enter the original car media. Open the audio source. Open rear settings. Adjust the original car volume to about 80%. Rear seat operation restrictions off, dual speakers on. Turn off the flames. Removal of original vehicle equipment. Remove the original left and right decorative parts. Removal of original car electroplating parts. Remove the left and right air outlets. Use a No. 10 socket to remove the 4 fixing screws. Remove the host. Unplug all docking harnesses. Install. Connect the Android wiring harness to the original vehicle wiring harness. Connect the original car panoramic adapter cable. Connect the original car optical fiber harness adapter cable. Connecting the radio antenna. Connect USB cable. Remove the original car host dual flash connection cable. Plug back the original wiring harness. Plug in the protocol box. Connect the power cable of the panoramic box, fiber optic box. By color red, yellow, black. Connect with the power line of the optical fiber box on the power line. Connect multimedia cable. Place the SIM card and USB cable in the Copilot storage box. Connect the reversing video cable. First, install and fix the left air duct. Connecting a microphone. Connect for G antennas, GPS antennas. Connect all wiring harnesses to the machine. Plug the HDMI box into the USB port. After plugging in the HDMI cable, connect the wiring harness to the original car HDMI interface below the rear exhaust vent. Lay out all wiring harnesses. Then install and fix the right air duct. Install and fix the screen. Then fix the left and right air outlets. Install the left and right decorative parts and decorative panels. The installation is complete. Let's take a look at the effect.